Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the knowledge files you've uploaded within a Claude project. So to get started, let's navigate over to the project that we're interested in. And to do so, I'm going to open up the sidebar here on the left hand side of my screen and going over to the projects tab. So here you should be able to see the project you'd like to make your changes in, and simply click on it and you should be able to see the main overview or summary of the project and its contents. So if you look closely here on the right hand side of your screen, you're going to be able to see the files section, and this is where we'll be able to make changes to the knowledge base of our project. So to delete files, it's really simple. All we have to do is mouse over a specific document and click on the remove button that appears at the top left hand side of the preview or icon. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and as you can see, it has disappeared. Another way of deleting multiple files at once is to hover over it just like before and click on the empty box at the bottom right of the preview, and this just enables you to select multiple files which you can delete by pressing this trash or delete icon that appears near the top. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and as you can see, all the reference files within this project has been removed. So that's going to be it for this video. It's pretty quick and pretty easy. I hope you were able to follow, and as always, I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. As always, thank you for watching.